is, no, we don't want that. Okay, so that happens sometimes. So sometimes you don't want to construct your stuff in here. You want to construct it in your notepad because this can happen. And it's a good thing that happens, so we see. Okay, so let's do that again. Let's go to our notepad. Thank God we have that. So we're going to say, I just want to paste it again. Remember, this is our core description of the guy, so I'm going to make it bold so we can remember. Bold. Okay, so this is okay, walking on a busy street. Okay, Market Street. So really Market Street in Mushin, Lagos, right? Mushin, Lagos, right? Okay. Okay. What is he just walking? Is he carrying the bag or? He's eating what? Okay, wait. Like I said, you can put everything you want. You can even let him be talking to. Talk to him. It can be. But is he working with our story? Remember. Think like this. Look at what's happening here. You will start to see yourself as a cameraman, a designer, a scriptwriter, a director, a producer, and the executive CEO of the movie. So, it's only you, so you have to think like, okay, do I have the time to do that? Is he going to bore the viewers? If it's not going to bore, fine, you can put it. Like in that story I had, it was all that huggy stuff wasn't there initially. Okay. If you remember in my story, I had to add those other parts because the first take was too straight. We went straight to the action part. So we said, okay, let's give Veronica and John a life. Okay, they are a young couple, they love each other, and they talk together. So we now started having to add all those parts. So do we want to do that to Toby? We like Toby that much. We want to give him some life, right? Okay.
Waking up in the morning.
Yeah, so you suggested we should show that he woke up, sat on his bed, is thinking, or what? He's supposed to be buying. This looks as if he's supplying. Okay, so that means we can keep working, or we can think, okay, how do we fix this? Okay, let's look at the story. It says here, to a local guy, he stops by the roadside to buy some akara from a roadside seller. Something is wrong with the way we wrote it. The AI is not figuring it out. Okay.
Or if you run it
Or we include the road seller.
Okay.
or roadside vendor.
Roadside vendor. Okay, let's try something else. But you know what? Okay, let's fix this. Let's fix this. Okay, so he says we should make in our prompt, we should use stuff like something to show that there's a transaction, so there will be actual money and exchange. Okay, let's try that. Okay, so let's use the text again. Now, with Johnny, you don't have to do this again, just click on that and it will add it to your prompt. Okay, so what we've just done here, when you're reading it or you're telling folks, you're trying to be consistent character. This is so important because the AI tends to always generate and create random faces which can make your work incoherent. So we saw the consistent character. This is definitely Toby, right? Now we need to make Toby buy a car. Now, this is where the work is. This is why some people will do it the first time and they will give up. Oh, yeah, with his backpack. Okay, he's not wearing his backpack. Okay, so let's change that. T-shirt, wearing his, okay, it was a blue. Which one should we use?
Yes.
This one, right? This blue backpack.
The one on top. Yes.
This one?
No, the side. Yes.
And the problem with this is,
You can't see the strap.
yeah, we can't see the strap. You might want to take it to another tool and fix a strap. Actually, Midjourney has an editor where you can add that. For a lot of time, we don't do that now. But we get it. It's going to be a blue strapped backpack. So okay, let's put wearing his or carrying. Yeah, carrying. Yes. Okay. So because of the internet, I think sometimes you want to type this out. Let's go back. Let's type it inside. Okay, let's go back to shot it once. They cut it out and they figure out something else, right? Okay, so let's look at this story. I think it's really long.
But it's better.
But what I've noticed here sometimes is when the prompt is long, there's a tendency to misinterpret. So let's try this story again. So let's say write a clear
Short.
a clear shot for Midjourney version 6. Version 6.1. Okay, I was selling a car. Buying, let's just say eating. As he walks, along the street. So you have to be comfortable with jumping from tab to tab. Two tools are used. There's two called Minimax, Kling AI. Those are so far one of the best. There's another one, Genmo AI. It's an open source free tool. So let's see if what we can get with Genmo. Trouble with it is that it can be slow because a lot of people are using it. Yeah, that's it. Genmo AI. Okay, so it's using an open source video generation tool called Mochi or Mocha or whatever. Okay, so let's pick up, and it does, I don't do imaging, let me see, imaging here, new prompt ideas, okay, I thought it was doing images, let's see. Okay, it doesn't need.